Before you start writing code, you need to prepare your workspace. This is called your development environment, and it's basically your playground for creating awesome things. There are two main components to your environment: a text editor and a compiler or interpreter. A text editor is like a blank canvas where you write your code. It allows you to type, edit, and save your code files. There are many free and paid options available, such as Visual Studio Code, Atom, or even a simple Notepad program. A compiler or interpreter is like a translator that takes your code and turns it into a language the computer understands. In the case of Dart, the Dart compiler transforms your code into machine code the computer can execute directly. The specific steps for setting up your environment might vary depending on your operating system, so be sure to find instructions specific to your needs. Don't worry, many resources are available online to guide you through the setup process. You can find official installation guides, video tutorials, and even online communities where you can ask questions and get help from other programmers. Once you have your environment set up, you're ready to start writing your first program. It's an exciting journey, and remember, there are tons of resources available to help you along the way. With your development environment ready, you're now equipped to begin your programming adventure. Get ready to learn, explore, and create amazing things.